Hi friends, just now I heard one beautiful song of Raj Kapoor, finest presentation and voice by Mukesh Saab, a very sweet and celestial voice. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। वाह, एक अप्रतिम गाना। We all know that we are going through a very different era that is called fight the war against corona and covid-19. Our all soldiers, captain, commanders are fighting on the ground. They are nothing but our great doctors, medical department nurses, ward boys, police department and administration. So we have to become catalysts. We common people, we being as a citizen, we have to become catalysts for them. We have to give our full support just by staying in our home. Be safe, be healthy, be clean and be hygiene. And yes, we all are giving our best supports, cooperation to our front warriors. And we are going to be a winner. We are invincible. हम ही जीतने वाले हैं, क्योंकि संसार का अगर पूरे पृथ्वी के ऊपर इसके पहले ही बहुत वार होके गए हैं, virus, bacterial attacks, and a lot thing had happened to our earth, but our earth is winner. हमने ही विजय प्राप्त किया है और इस बार भी हम विजय ही प्राप्त करने वाला है. Yes, we are winners. Today we are going to see about the WH. WH means what to do, why to do, where to do, when to do, along with whom to do. हमें क्या करना है, why, what, क्या हमारा मकसद है. Then next, why, क्यों करना है. If it is a clear, transparent, is it going to give happiness to you as well as to your periphery? Is it going to give a lot of positive rewards, awards and satisfaction? Just go ahead, do it, accomplish it. But if it is going to be a negative part for others, to your periphery, to the environment, then just simply put in the dustbin, put petrol, diesel and just kill it. हमको वही काम करना चाहिए कि जो हमारे लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, हमारे प्रकृति के लिए आनंदपूर्वक है. So, what to do, why to do. This is as far as your individual level, as far as your behavioral level, as far as your team level is concerned. Then, when to do. Time is most important thing. We all know that time is our real friend. Time is our genuine catalyst. Time does not come in our way. Time does not having any obstacle for us. We may come and go away, but time remains the same. So let us have a wonderful friendship with our time and go ahead along with our time. Salute it. हम वक्त का सम्मान करेंगे तो वक्त हमारा सम्मान करेगा, करने वाला है. होम, किसके साथ, मे बी इंडिविजुअल और विथ योर टीम. Team, we all know that together everyone achieves our mission, our miles. So, if it is a team, no doubt you are the important part of the team, and team is going to achieve a right destinations. Next, we are going to have where. The place is very important. Place, कहाँ करना है, कहाँ शुरुआत करनी है. Maybe as far as your career is concerned, education part is concerned, your business part is concerned, achieving to your next level, whatever things you wish to achieve in a very short time, in long time or mid time, you have to have proper these WH formulas. What to do, why to do, when to do, where to do, along with whom to do. So if it is WH is clear, we are the 100% successful and winners. I am sure that we are going to be a winner, we are going to be invisible. Thank you. My name is Professor Prakash Jalvi, 9822397550. Thanks.